Finally getting to this damn sensor, and I didn't have the right wrench, so good old vice grip in 30 minutes of moving back and forth. And there is our coolant temp sensor, all boogered up. New sensor going on. I just had to take the coil pack off. That controls the spark. Now tighten this with the vice grip. Shit. Alright, she should be set in there all the way. Plug the sensor back in. And get this on. And then fire her up. And I got the new headlight bulb in. The other one exploded. Let's see if this misfire finally got away. I put new plugs and wires in it. And I just connected the battery back in it, so let's see if we got anything. It'll start a lot better if it does anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No misfire. It fired up just like that. Oh shit. Check it again. The start's a lot better. Let's hope that fixed it. I'm gonna take it for a drive.